Are you searching for a solution to repair corrupted Outlook OST data and recover permanently deleted items from OST file? We brings you the solution with Datahelp OST repair tool. Either you can choose to export selective files, it will in turn save your precious time, or else you can choose to export OST data file folders in batch. Now let's check out the working process. The software opens with a user-friendly interface. Here you can click Add File button from the top navigation bar to add either damaged or corrupt OST file. Now you can see a small window appears with further options to choose. Here you can choose either the Select File option or the Search File option. Now let's proceed with the Select File option in our example. Then click Browse button below to choose desired OST file. And click Open. Choose Remove Encryption option if emails are encrypted with either MIME or OpenPGP encryption. You can check for related videos on the top right corner of the screen. Or you will find related videos in the description field below. Then from the Scan Mode option below, you can choose either Quick Scan option if the file is having minimum corruption, or you can choose the Advanced Scan option if the file is highly corrupted. After making the desired selections, click Add button below to proceed. Now you can see the file scanning in progress, and after the scanning process completes successfully, click Yes to save the scanned files, or else click No to proceed. Then you can see the folder list will appear in the left pane, and here, you can see the folder contains data, will appear bold in color. You can see calendar data, contacts, deleted items, drafts, and inbox data. The software provides another useful feature, the Load Scan option. Selecting this option lets users select desired file path from any previously scanned data. This will in turn save time for the users. The software lets you preview different views of any chosen mail. Here you can see normal mail view, hex view, properties view, message header, MIME view, HTML, RTF, and attachments of any chosen file. Now let's check out the method of performing selective mail export. Choose desired mails to export by checking the corresponding mail. Then right-click on any desired mail and click Save button. Then the Export option window appears with further options to choose. Export options will be explained in detail during bulk export. Now let's check out the method of performing bulk export. Click Save button from the top navigation menu. Then you can see Export option window appears with further advanced options to choose. And on the left side pane, you can see the folder list will appear. Choose desired folder to export by checking the corresponding box option. Then you can see different export type options to choose. Now in this example, let's choose the PST option. Clicking Advanced Settings will open another window with further filter options to choose. Here you will find option to split PST file according to size. And the date filter option lets you filter emails according to a certain date range. Below you can choose the desired categories by checking the box option. After choosing the desired options, click Save button below. And click OK. Then click Browse button to choose a destination folder to save the output file. And click OK. And selecting the Maintain Folder Hierarchy option lets you maintain the folder hierarchy intact. And if you don't want empty folders to be exported, you can uncheck this option. And check the next option below. And the Use Outlook checkbox can be selected if Outlook is installed on your system. And the Ignore System Folders option lets you ignore system folders from getting exported. After making the desired selections, click Export button below to initiate the file exporting process. Now you can see the file exporting in progress, and after the process completes successfully, click OK. Then you can see the Export Report window appears with complete export report. Click Save button below to save the export report in CSV format. In this video, you saw the successful method of repairing corrupted Outlook OST data, and how to recover permanently deleted items from OST file. Now let's check out the output files. Open the destination folder in which you have saved the files, and here you can see the output PST file. Open Outlook PST file and Microsoft Outlook to further check its details. You can directly go to the official Datahelp website to purchase the software. Don't waste time. Purchase full version and get the full license features. If any query, feel free to contact us. Subscribe channel for latest updates and offers.